Have you ever wondered if there's a correlation between the popularity of cooking videos and the rise in healthier eating habits? It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? Recent studies have begun to explore this hypothesis. Hello, kitchen connoisseurs! Welcome back to Reality Radar. I'm your host, Lovish, and today we're sizzling up a hypothesis that explores the intersection of taste and health. Can cooking videos be the gateway to healthier eating? Get ready for a culinary journey that might just revolutionize the way we approach our meals. Let's step into the flavorful world of cooking videos. A survey carried out by the University of Buffalo in 2023 suggested that individuals who watched cooking videos were more likely to cook at home and make healthier food choices. The study involved 1,000 participants, all of whom were regular consumers of online cooking content. The findings revealed that 70% of these participants were more likely to consume fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins as a direct result of the culinary inspiration they derived from these videos. In a parallel perspective, an extensive study conducted by the University of Pennsylvania, involving over 500 participants spread over a period of 6 months, found an intriguing correlation between the frequency of watching cooking videos and a decrease in the consumption of fast food. The detailed analysis revealed that those who watched cooking videos on a regular basis significantly reduced their fast food intake by impressive 35%, manifesting a shift towards healthier eating habits. Upon the study's conclusion, the researchers proposed the idea that indulging in cooking videos could potentially emerge as an innovative strategy to promote healthier eating habits. In a compelling study conducted by the University of California, Los Angeles, involving over 500 participants over a span of 6 months, it was discovered that watching cooking videos significantly increased the viewer's knowledge of nutrition. This fascinating correlation was found to lead to healthier food choices among the participants. Throughout the duration of the study, the individuals who regularly watched cooking videos demonstrated a 32% rise in their knowledge about beneficial nutrients and how to incorporate them into their meals. The study also suggested that the combination of visual demonstration and practical guidance provided by cooking videos could potentially revolutionize the way we educate the masses about healthy eating, proving to be more impactful than conventional methods. So, what does all this mean for you? Firstly, the evidence suggests that watching cooking videos can inspire healthier eating habits. The visual demonstration of food preparation, the exposure to a wide variety of foods, and the increased knowledge of nutrition all contribute to this effect. Secondly, cooking videos can be a tool for education. They can provide a more engaging and effective way to learn about nutrition and healthy eating than traditional methods. Finally, cooking videos can encourage cooking at home. This not only allows for greater control over what goes into your meals, but also promotes a healthier relationship with food. In conclusion, it seems that the rise in popularity of cooking videos could indeed be contributing to healthier eating habits. That wraps up our exploration into the hypothesis of cooking videos as a gateway to healthier eating. If you found your appetite for nutritious meals, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. Stay flavorful, stay healthy. Until next time, this is Lovish from Reality Radar, signing off.